Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, who's the up and coming rising star in Latin American manufacturing? It's Argentina. Why is that? There's four key reasons. Number one is the economy and government incentives. So, their economy has made great strides from inflation rates of 25% per month, just outrageous, to 2% per month and declining. They also have been deregulating and providing government incentives for manufacturing. Number two is their geographic proximity and strategic location. They border 5 countries, including Brazil, who is number 1 in Latin American manufacturing, and have modern ports. Number 3 is natural resources. They actually are abundant in natural resources with oil, natural gas, copper, lithium, and the list goes on. And number 4 is their workforce. And they actually have a base workforce and skilled workforce in sectors such as auto, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, which is actually abundant with their agricultural background, and technology and electronics, which they're building with some government incentives for manufacturing. So as you're looking at sourcing options in Latin America, Argentina should be on the list.